in a smoky room.
Hello guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wig. If you find this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first step is to make these braids. If you've watched my previous videos on how to make these braids, I'm just going to use the same process, but now for today's tutorial I'm not going to braid like the entire hair. I'm going to just braid like some few inches from the tip of the braid. So I wanted a colorful wig, and that's why I decided to use this black and pink. It actually has three colors: black, pink, and purple. So I just wanted something that is colorful, anything that has blue or pink. And you can get this hair from Amazon, you can get this hair from AliExpress or any beauty shop near you. So I really love this color. On my next video I think I'll use this one. So I'll put a link in the description box down below, an Amazon link on where you can get these braids. For full head you need like 5 to 6 pieces, but I prefer if you buy 6 or 7 just to be safer. I'm going to show you how to make this braid. There's a detailed video on how to make these braids. I'll link it in the description box down below. So the first thing you're going to do is to split your hair into as many pieces as you want, and then you're going to braid them. So again guys, I'll put a detailed video in the description box down below just in case you haven't watched that video on how to make these braids. So I drown them out at night with my TV. Try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. So I'm going to braid the same way I braid my normal braids, but then after 1 or 2 turns I add more hair. I'm making a knot just to prevent my braids from unraveling, or you can use glue. I'm going to use this dome cap and this net. So I'll put a link for all the items that I'm going to use today in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. And I also wanted to use this, but I felt like using this ear to ear lace will just be like a waste, so that's why I decided to use the 4x4 lace. So the next step is to sew the lace on the cap. Or instead of sewing the lace on the cap, you can just buy the cap that already has a 4x4 lace, instead of going through all this process of sewing the lace on the cap. I've marked the middle part of my cap. That is going to be my parting area, and then I'm going to pin down my braids and then sew them on the cap. So guys, if you've watched my previous videos on how to make these braided wigs, I'm just going to use the same process. Pin the braids down and then sew them on the cap.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie, 'cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy, happy. without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. Let's let it go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight.
So just to quicken up the process, I first of all sewed the braids together, and then I went ahead and sewed them on the cap. So I wanted to use this straight needle to sew the braids on the cap, but it was so hard for me. Like, I can't remember the last time I used this straight needle, like sewing my braids using the straight needle. So I just went back and used my cap needle. So guys, you can use either, the one that you prefer. Like, if you're okay with the straight needle, you can use it. If you're okay with the cap needle, you can use the cap needle. But I'm just used to using the cap needle. Like, it kind of quickens up the process. So I've already sewn, I'm done sewing, and then the next step I'm going to do is to braid the hair and then dip them in hot water to create the curls.
Every time we say goodbye, they all see that it's a lie. 'Cause we always give it one last try. Yeah, you've watched me break 1,000 times. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't. That's how it goes. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight. Without giving a warning, I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will.
I crochet some hair on the hairline, cut the lace, and now I'm applying concealer just to make it blend with my complexion. So like, instead of braiding the hair, you can just use rollers, but I prefer braiding to using rollers because like braiding is easier compared to using rollers.
But then you don't. Let's let it go. Don't wanna know. I'm turning off my mind so I get by. I just wanna be happy tonight.
So the next step is to undo the braids, and then you don't have to wait for the braids to dry. You can just undo them immediately. And then if you feel like there's so much space at the back, you can just crochet some hair, braid them, and then dip them in hot water. But I was okay with the volume of the hair. And then I used 5 packs.
Sound the same, yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Not let me fall back.
So this is the end result. I love the color, I love the volume, though it's still wet. I'll update you after 2 weeks how I manage this hair.
Ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby.
So that was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.
Imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me